Yo, what's up world? We are in Klungkung today in Bali, Indonesia, obviously. Have you ever been here? Check this out. This looks really nice and we never actually vlog in this city today, so here we go. Honey, why you are staying under the little tree here?
Honey, it's hot. I need to stand up under the shade. Okay, guys. So today we are in the city center of Klungkung. This is Kota Semarapura. Have you, like what Damian asked you, have you ever been here before? Today, we will explore what actually you could do when you go to Klungkung or Semarapura, and then what where you could go for sightseeing and everything. So yeah, this is how the city center. Basically, it's like Tabanan city center, but I think look at the statue, and they also have the monument. The most popular tourist object in the city center of Klungkung, it is Kertagosa. So let's go inside and see what is it inside.
So Kertagosa is on the other side of the street. When you enter there was no security, nobody, but then suddenly somebody come and said we have to buy ticket, and we don't know where to buy ticket, so seems like the ticket will be somewhere here next to this big monument, statues, whatever like that. Let's see. All right, so we bought ticket. The ticket box is just behind us. It's like a tick because the ad is missing. Ticket is 50K for both of us, 25 each. But if you have a kitas, if you don't have it, it will be 50, I think.
50 for foreigners.
For tourists, like.
Yeah.
So
yeah. Let's explore the sightseeing, in the city center of Klungkung. Okay guys, so we already inside of the first building. This is a monument Puputan Klungkung. Basically, inside is the biorama of the Bali life long time ago. Just like when the Dutch colonials. Okay, so this one is the king of the Klungkung long time ago. So my impression is that this city is very clean. So let's go to there.
To Kertagosa now. Passing the street, bubur ayam go-kart is coming into. So funny, and we are going to Object Wisata Kertagosa right now over here. Check this out.
Wow, it's very nice, beautiful, clean city, and look at surround. Very nice. Okay guys, this is a very interesting, and here is a lot of information about the Kertagosa itself. We see the history. And then meaning and history, Kertagosa was a building or place for solving problems concerning security, prosperity, and justice of the Kingdom of Bali. The founder was not known, but according to Chandra Sengkala carved at Pemedal Agung Mendor Palace, it had been in existence in the year Saka and Sakrayuyu Paksi, Paksi which means the year of Saka in 1922, or around the year 700 AD when Dewa Agung Jambe governed the Kingdom of Klungkung. And then let's see the philosophy. Okay, so you will see there are so many paintings on the ceiling. Here, the painting means Dewi Kunti asked Bhima to go to Yamani Loka to free his father's soul and his stepmother's soul from the hell where they were still tortured. The tortures of the hell are busy punishing and torture the souls of those who were sinful. And then let's see what happened today. So Kertagosa today, in ancient times, attraction Kertagosa and Gili Park is a part or a unity with the Puri Semarapura Kingdom Klungkung, built around 17th century. Where the west of the building there is a gate known as Pemedal Agung, which is the main gate of Puri Semarapura. Okay guys, so this place actually it's very historical place. So if you want to get to know more, deeper understanding about Bali and how is the history, you should go here.
Basically, we are in the ballet or gazebo look-like stuff with the paintings on the ceiling. And I think this was something like a king's meeting table whenever the other kings or I don't know, high power people come and discuss some stuff. They were sitting here, meanwhile looking the beautiful roundabout of the city of Klungkung, which is like at the main junction in the city of Klungkung. I think it's pretty cool place, right? By the way, I really don't mind to having an office like that with this view. That's pretty nice location, I could say.
Okay guys, so behind me that was the building is called Balai Kambang. Balai Kambang means that the balai floating on the water. And then here is called Balai Gili, if I'm not mistaken. So Balai Gili here is just like the meeting place for the all kings and the representatives and also the guests coming. I still remember like when I was, you know, still young, and then this place used to be famous for the big travel agent bringing the tourists to come here to learn histories about Bali. So yeah, it's very nice place.
But currently, well, 2022, we are only the one here, and it's actually like 12 o'clock right now, exactly 12 o'clock by the way. So supposed to be so many people around, but now you can enjoy places like this only for yourself, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it here? Also very nice place, seems like. This is like a gate, temple, and
then
this one
we
is...
will go to the museum.
Museum over there, all right.
Okay guys, it's beautiful place. We can see that the history of Bali. What I can say that sadly this place is not as popular destination for those, you know, just like the trend nowadays for digital nomads, yogis, or other people who just interested coming to Bali about the culture, but seems like they are not interested about this kind of historical places. I think that they are more likely to go to Canggu, go to Ubud, or, you know, sightseeing on the beach, or going to the rice paddies. But seems like this kind of place is just forgotten, and only, you know, like if we compare like the tourists coming from the big agents only come here to see and then to learn about the history. Okay guys, so let's go inside and see what is it inside. Wow, there are so many, it's just like this kind of lontar, or I can say that so many historical things here.
Yeah, very nice indeed. Oh, nice. This is the cannon bullet. Piece of history, guys. Alright guys, check this out. I'm sweating like so badly, it's so hot. Anyway, we would like to ask for 500 likes for this for this video and 10,000 views, so please like, share, so we could still making videos about the history a little bit of Bali, because suddenly, as you see, nobody, no other even YouTubers, influencers, Instagrammers, or whatever you call these people, coming here to showing places like this. We come here today.
We help to promote Bali.
Not only showing the streets or something like that. As you know, we are doing vlogs every single day, almost for about 2 years right now. So you can check also so many old our videos. We have so many things, even like making salt production in East Bali. Many videos, right?
Okay guys, I think that's all our video today from Klungkung, and especially in Kertagosa and then Klungkung city center. This is just like a piece of history that is left in Bali. Even today is the weekend, seems like this place is quiet, and even I only see 2 workers here are working. Okay, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya,
Bye.
take care guys.